now joining us live. He's even breaking the story, which is the inside track on what transpired during Kejriwal's meeting with the LG over home quarantine row. Ankit, I'm going to throw straight across to you to get us the inside track. One, this is no longer about politics, as from what we heard from doctors as well. They're of the firm opinion that it is absolutely impractical to go ahead and do what the MHA at the moment has suggested, Ankit.
And it defies logic, Chetty, as well. I mean, already overburdened facilities, why would you put them under pressure for people, those who possibly can just take a paracetamol or just a fever medicine and can be at the comfort of their house and be okay as far as COVID-19 is concerned, after the ICMR and the government itself having said that there are 80% asymptomatic patients as far as the virus is concerned. Now, let me very quickly tell you what happened at the Delhi Disaster Management Authority meeting, which was in fact at 12 o'clock. The Chief Minister and the government of Delhi, which has already said that they are not happy and which have not been consulted as far as this order is concerned. Chief Minister registered a strong dissent note as far as this order is concerned. Now, it was an 8-point rebuttal by Arvind Kejriwal. He started with saying that the ICMR guidelines very clearly say that people, those who have mild symptoms, those who are asymptomatic, can in fact be sent to home quarantine and they can recuperate there. Now, he said, why is it that Delhi is being treated differently in that aspect? He also suggested that at a time when there are more than 2,000 deaths which have already taken place in Delhi, we already are trying to augment the facilities of ICU and ventilators. Should the focus of the health workers and the infrastructure be on the severely ill patients of coronavirus? Correct. Or should it be to manage the patients, those who have very mild symptoms or are asymptomatic? Apart from that, Kejriwal suggested that there are already crises because there are many health workers, those who have fallen sick because of coronavirus. We have feeling staff shortage as well. Where will we get the people for daily monitoring and to man these quarantine centers? Where will the extra beds come from? Mr. Kejriwal also said that this is going to discourage a lot of people for coming out and getting themselves tested. He then concluded by saying, with putting out WHO guidelines, which also suggest asymptomatic patients can recuperate at home. Now, this has become a huge tussle between the Lieutenant Governor, because we were told that Lieutenant Governor did not have much to say on this. He only said that this has been done in accordance with the directives of the ICMR and the MHA. It will be very difficult at this point of time to see whether they are going to overturn the order, because it will require interference once again of Home Minister Amit Shah.
Absolutely. Ankit, you mentioned that, it's all right for the asymptomatic patients to get tested at home, and that's what the World Health Organization guidelines also suggest. But, let's even go a step further. Let's talk about the patients who are actually showing mild to moderate symptoms as well. Dr. Kanika Kumar now joins us from Metro Specialty Hospital to give us her opinion on this. Ankit, stay with us. Dr. Kanika, do you feel that the patients who have very mild symptoms of coronavirus or moderate symptoms even, can they be successfully treated at home? Dr. Praveen Sandhani earlier was of a very strong opinion that there is no need to burden the healthcare systems unnecessarily and keep them free for the critical patients only.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.